How's it going, guys? This is Techware Tactical back with something I actually have just thought of. So, with storms approaching, I'm in a hurricane-prone portion of the world. This is something I actually just thought of. This is the rig that I use to actually film videos, and this is an Anker power bank. I was going to do a review on it, and I basically forgot about it and realized that I had one. I threw it on charge. It's fully charged, and this is actually plugged into my filming light. The filming light can get extraordinarily bright, and it has a very significant upside comparative to candles, whereas one, you can recharge it. And on top of that, if you're in an apartment or house or wherever you are, you're basically in a closed box. If you're running a bunch of candles that are lit in there, it is going to get extraordinarily hot extraordinarily quick, whereas with this, it does not. Even this running at full power does not produce a lot of heat. It's LED based. So this is actually a great little setup. I basically just took the Anker power bank and screwed it in a place where my phone would generally be held and plugged it directly so it can charge directly off of it. And I can have, light for if the power goes out. So this is actually a pretty decent setup. I'd recommend this to anyone who lives in a region that's prone to natural disasters, because this can be a really great little setup if you don't want to, kind of sweat to death, or you don't want to hold a flashlight for everything that you do. You can mount it up on a small tripod, and you can have, pretty decent light. If I can... That's the lowest setting, which is already pretty bright. That's the highest setting. And it does illuminate a room very well. I'm just pointing at a wall here, so obviously it's not going to do that great. But you can definitely read by it. You can do whatever you need to. This is something I can really, really recommend, guys.